Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making Millionaire shortbread. This recipe was from Preppy Kitchen and John Cannell. Decadent Millionaire shortbread that lives up to its name. In today's recipe, we're mixing rich buttery shortbread, gooey homemade caramel, and a silky chocolate ganache, all layered into irresistible bars that are perfect for holidays, gifts, or dessert tables. In this video, you'll learn how to make the crispy shortbread base, how to cook caramel perfectly, how to melt and spread glossy chocolate ganache, tips for even layers and easy slicing. So here we go. First thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Then we're going to prep a 9x9 pan with parchment paper or aluminum foil and leave an overhang so it's easy to get it out of the pan. So first we're going to make the shortbread layer. So we're going to cream some butter, sugar, and salt until light and fluffy. Then we're going to add 1 egg yolk and our vanilla and mix well. Then we're going to add our flour in 4 batches, mixing in between each batch until well combined. Then we're going to spread that out in our prepared pan and press it down evenly. We're going to place that in our preheated oven and bake for 22 minutes. Okay, the edges should be slightly browned, so we're going to remove that from the oven. Place it on a wire rack to cool. Okay, so in a saucepan we're going to combine the condensed milk, brown sugar, butter, syrup, salt, and vanilla. Then we're going to place that over medium heat, stirring constantly until it darkens a little bit and starts to pull away from the sides. If you're using a candy thermometer, take it up to about 225, softball stage. Then we're going to pour that over the shortbread and smooth it out with an offset spatula. Now we're going to let that cool for at least 10 minutes. I put mine in the fridge. Okay, now for the third and final layer, we're going to take a double boiler and put the chocolate chips and cream in there and stir that until it's all melted. If you want, you can microwave that in 30-second intervals until it's completely melted and smooth. Then we're going to spread that over the caramel and smooth it out with an offset spatula. If you like, you can sprinkle that with a little bit of sea salt and chill until set. So once it's firmed up, you can cut that into bars and serve it up. This recipe was inspired by John Cannell from Preppy Kitchen. I will put a link to his recipe down below in the description box so you can check that out. So there you go. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.